XRP just made a massive move, and this time it's not just a rumor. A big country is now reportedly moving toward XRP adoption, and this could change everything for crypto investors. Stay till the end, because what this means for XRP's price might shock you. Over the past 24 hours, reports suggest that a major country is exploring blockchain-based payment infrastructure, and XRP is being mentioned as a key bridge asset. Why is this important? Because XRP was designed specifically for cross-border payments, fast transactions, low fees, institutional focus. If a large economy integrates XRP into its financial system, that's not just adoption, that's validation. And when governments move, markets react. Let's break this down. If this country officially uses XRP for remittances or banking transfers, demand could increase significantly. More usage, more liquidity. More liquidity, sharing stronger ecosystem. And stronger ecosystem for long-term growth potential. We've seen in the past how even rumors around regulatory clarity or partnerships have moved XRP's price fast. But government-level adoption? That's a completely different level. Right now, smart money isn't looking at hype. They're watching adoption signals. Institutional use cases matter more than short-term pumps. And if this story develops further, XRP could see increased investor attention very quickly. What do you think? Is this the beginning of mass adoption, or just another headline? Comment your prediction below, and subscribe to Truthdose Finance for daily XRP updates.